Hello students, in this video we are going to learn about working with styles and objects. For that I have typed this line working with styles and objects. If I want to change the style of the text, what I have to do? First you select the text, then go to styles group. From styles group you select the style you want. If I am choosing heading 1, so the style of the text will be like this. If I am changing heading 2, the style of the text will be like this. Accordingly, you can choose as per your requirement which style you want. Now we will learn how to insert a word art into a document. Let us do that. Go to insert tab. From here, you can choose word art features. Word art is used to create decorative text. It gives a unique look to the text. Now we will go to the word art feature. Then select the type of text you want to apply in your document. Suppose I want this one. So I will select. Then here I have to add the text. Which text I want to make decorative. Suppose here I am typing Microsoft Word. Now click on OK. See here. If you want to edit the text, go to this edit text option. Then from, suppose instead of Microsoft, I want to type MS Word. Now click on OK. Okay, so this is the way we can edit the text in Word Art feature. You can drag like this so that the size of the text will be increased. Now if I want to change the style, then from here also I can choose which one I want. This is the way I also can change the style of the text. Now we will learn how to add a text box in our document. For that, I am going to take another page. Go to the insert option, then go to text box. Then from text box, I am going to choose a simple text box because I want to add some text to my text box. Here, I can type the text I want. This is my text box. So this is the way you can create the text box as per your requirement. Now we will learn how to work with shape. For that, go to insert option, then go to shapes. Suppose I want a star to draw. So we can draw like this. Now if I want to add the text to this shape, what I will do? Right click, add text. This is my star. Now if you want to change the color of the text, select the text. From here you can choose the color you want. Now we will learn how to use the line tool to draw some drawings. For that, again I am going to insert tab only. From insert tab, I will go to the shapes. From shapes, I am going to this line tool. Now I am drawing a heart with the help of this line tool. Also, without going to that, we can also use the Ctrl C and Ctrl V option for this. One line is created, I can use Ctrl C to copy, and we can do Ctrl V to paste. Like this. Ctrl C I did now. For here, I will do Ctrl V. You see here. Now what I have to do? I have to drag it like this to join. So after drawing one line also, we can use Ctrl C and Ctrl V option. So my heart is ready now. Now we will learn how to insert symbols and special characters in our document. For that, what I will do is, I will go to, just a minute. I will go to this insert tab. From insert tab, I will go to the symbol option. From symbol option, whatever symbol you want, you can select. If you want a mathematical symbol, you can select from here. More symbol option is also there. From here, you can choose the type of symbol you want. Suppose I want this one. Then I will click on insert. So that symbol will be inserted in my document. See here, that symbol is inserted in my document. Also, you can go for the mathematical symbols. Suppose I want this one, division symbol. So I can go for this. I am increasing the font size so that it will be clearly visible to you. Okay, so this is the way we can insert the symbol. Now we will learn how to apply the shadow effect. For example, I did a shape here. Now I want to create the shadow effect for that. So for that, first I am going to create a shape. Suppose this shape I have created. Now I want a shadow effect for this. So what I will do? I will click here. Then I will go to the shadow effect. From shadow effect, which effect you want, you can select here. So this is the shadow effect of this. Okay. If you want to fill it from here, you can choose the color, which one you want. Okay. So this is all about this lesson, shapes and objects. Thank you.